Oh, hey guys, my name is Jason from Simple Cookery, and today we're making Japanese curry. Now to prepare for this dish, I want you guys to cut everything into cubes. So that includes your carrot, your onion, your beef, and the potatoes. Japanese curry is one of those dishes that everyone loves. I normally make this dish when I invite my friends over. Like, you could cook such a big portion, and it's comfy, it's homey. You know, it's the best way to treat my friends. The next thing I want you guys to do is to get a pan, put in some butter, and put in your beef cubes. Fry the beef cubes until they go brown. That means they're nicely caramelized. Once the beef is done, put them on a plate and leave them aside. Next, I want you guys to grab a pot. This is where we'll make the curry. One thing to notice today is we are using Japanese curry cubes to make the curry instead of making it from scratch. You can normally get these curry cubes from your local Asian store. Put a little bit of oil in your pot. Then put in a clove of garlic, onions, and carrots. And you want to fry them for a few minutes until they soften and caramelized. Put back in your beef cubes and put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Give it a little stir, and after that put in 1 cup of red wine. The alcohol is going to kick in and give it a nice sweet taste, and it's going to make your dish smell really good as well. Next, put in some beef stock so that the liquid covers all the ingredients in the pot. Simmer for 20 minutes. After 15 minutes of simmering, put in your potatoes. The reason why we didn't put potatoes in the beginning because we didn't want it to cook and soften too much. When you cook the potato too much, your curry is gonna taste very starchy. So after you put in the potatoes, simmer for an extra 15 minutes. We're gonna complement our curry dish with some eggs. I'm a big fan of soft-boiled eggs, so to create them, we want to leave the eggs in the water for 7 minutes. After the eggs are done, you want to put them immediately in cold water so that it makes it so much easier for you to peel. Now once the 15 minutes is done, we want to check back on our curry. Now this is the part when you put in your curry cubes. Don't dump them in all at once. You want to put them in one by one with a ladle. Stir it around the surface so that the curry cube kind of assimilates with the rest of the stock. And you want to repeat this process for the rest of the cubes. Now it's up to you how many cubes you want to put. With the serving that we're making, I'm thinking around 4 to 5 people. Sometimes I put 2 cubes, sometimes I put 4 cubes. It really depends on how much curry taste you want in your Jap curry. Now to really give your curry an extra kick, put in a tablespoon of milk. And also put in a tablespoon of soy sauce. It is at this time that you can smell the greatness and the purity coming out of this curry you're making. Man, I'm telling you, it's not possible to not go hungry when you're making this dish. Now to present it, it's pretty easy. I like to fill up half my bowl on my plate with rice, and I'll just put the curry in the other half. To wrap it up, cut your soft-boiled egg into half and place them nicely on the side of your dish. Lastly, sprinkle some parsley over just to give it a real nice and balanced look.
That's it.
Hungry?
Yeah, man. Really flavorful, man. I love Jap curry. So hearty and homely.
Yeah, man. Everyone loves this, from kids, adults, old people. Sometimes I invite my friends over. If you have friends.
you always say, hey, you want to come over for Jap curry tonight?
Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this recipe, hit the notification button, like and subscribe for more simple recipes. In this channel, we do simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in your kitchen. Anyways, we out.
Bye-bye.